Hello everyone, welcome to Electronics, Textiles, and 3D Printing Makerspace. Before we get started, let's make sure we have our close-up shoes, long pants, and safety glasses if we're doing any support removal. Today we're going to go over the overview of the Bambu 3D printer. This is the X1 Carbon. Right here we have the AMS system, which will hold 4 filament rolls. We have the screen, and then we have the build plate volume. Before we load the filament, we have to make sure we're using 1.75 filament and PLA. So first, we're going to load the filament. We're going to go to the slider. We're going to go to the filament tab. So you can see right now we have 4 slots for the AMS and 1 for behind the printer. We're going to press on the A1. So we're going to open the AMS. We're going to grab our filament, and we're going to put it on A1. We're going to push the tab backwards, and we're going to fill in the filament about 2 to 3 inches. And then we're going to let it roll for about a few seconds. The A1 is going to be spinning. Once it's done spinning, it means it's finished loading. So we will always want to make sure you have the right settings for your filament. We're going to go to the edit. On Overture, we're going to change it to generic. We're going to make sure it's on PLA. And we're going to custom the color to be accurate to our filament color. And now we're going to press confirm. Now if you want to load more materials, you're just going to go to the next one and follow the same steps. Once all your filament is loaded, we're going to go to the file icon, micro SD card, and we're going to load our micro SD card. To load the micro SD card, we're going to go right here, make sure you push until you hear the click. Select your file, uncheck time lapse, and before you press print now, we're going to open it and make sure there's nothing on the build plate. We're going to put the build plate back. Close it and print now. We're going to press close. And now we're going to wait for the first layer. Please make sure you watch the entirety of your first layer. Failure to do so might lead to your print being paused by one of our staff. That concludes the machine overview of the Bambu 3D printer. Please make sure you sign up for the hands-on training at sector.isa.edu.